Good morning on this beautiful sunny Thursday morning. I'd just like to say hello. My name is Caroline and I've set up this YouTube channel for my husband to display some of his photographs and a couple of little films I've put together of some of his photographs. He wouldn't do it himself, but I think it'd be nice to show them. And I've taken a few little videos sort of discussing his love of photography, etc. But he's not comfortable in front of the camera, so you won't see much of him. But when he's taking the photos, I make little films and I'll include some of those on this channel. But I thought I would just say hello before I did, because you won't see much of him behind the camera, and I'll pop the photos on. If you like them, it'll be lovely if you gave a like. You can subscribe, then you'll see when he puts other things together and I put them on. That's completely free, and it would be lovely to see his channel grow. So I will say goodbye for now, and I'll just show you where we are, and then the next thing you'll see is either him telling you a little bit about why he loves it, or it will be some of his photos. So enjoy. Goodbye for now.
Just looking, there's a hole there, could be a woodpecker nest. It's good to get out, hear the birds, get some exercise. It's good for your mental health. It looks like it's fenced off.
What's your kind of goal when you come out
Try and find something to photograph, which is quite a rare thing. anything. I'll photograph anything if it's nice light and a nice background, a nice composition. So it's not about getting a picture of a bird in particular, like a twitcher. It's just a nice picture of a living creature in the environment. And here, I don't know. Yeah, I had a Kodak 110. Well, before that, I had an adventure kit with a camera in it and just put black and white film in it. And the Pools man used to come round on a Friday, take your film and develop them in his little dark room at home and get a contact print. So, I suppose I just went into a biscuit tin. I haven't seen them for years, but I expect they'll resurface when we clear out the old folks' house. Hey, out here comes a dog. Can you spot, lad? Hey, what have you spotted? Oh, it's a dog. This much, do you? So you're not interested in spotting little birds, though. You want to spot things you can chase, don't you? Too bloody quick. Kestrel, I think. It's always worth a look, though. Let's have a look at that. Oh well. Not quick enough there, lad.
So what have you two seen today?
Well, as usual, not a lot. A few little birds, pair of jays around, kestrel, crows, more crows. Yeah, so I had a little sit here. Not much. Oh, there's the jays again in the background. They're noisy, aren't they, Togo? No lions and tigers.
What does Togo think of this?
Well, he loves it. He'll sit quietly, patiently, and then he'll lie down. He's used to it. He has to be reasonable size, but yeah, he has spotted a few things. He'll spot game birds, deer, other ducks, squirrels.